Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this class, I'll teach you the very interesting chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Lost Child. So it's written by Mulk Raj Anand. So students, before start my summary of this chapter, I'll give you introduction to the lesson. As the title suggests, it's the story about the lost child. Okay, so all the story that is just written by Mulk Raj Anand is revolves around the child who just have lost. Okay, so where he has lost, we will just read in the story. So students, the lost child is a story first of all of a small child who gets lost in a fair. Actually, he had gone with his parents to the fair but loses them when he gets engrossed in looking at a roundabout swing as a child, because whenever we just have moved somewhere, then we mainly find each and everything, whatever would be around us. So same thing was happening with the child, that he get engrossed in looking at a roundabout swing. The story highlights the bond of love and affection that a child shared with his parents. So before losing them, he had been demanding different things like sweets, balloons, flowers, swings, etc. But once he loses them, he is picked by a stranger. The stranger tries to quieten the child by offering him all these things that he had demanded from his parents. But the child doesn't want them anymore. He wants his parents first. Okay, so now we will start our summary of this chapter, so you can read it side by side and try to listen the video. So it was a season of spring. So here it's just told here that was a season of spring when this happened. So the people of village came out of their houses and they were just in a colorful attire and walked towards a fair. A child, along with his parents, was going to the fair and was very excited and happy, right? Because it was just fair, and you can just imagine that if you want to go somewhere like mainly in a fair, so how do you feel? So the same condition was with the little boy. He was very excited and he was very happy. Actually, he was attracted to the stalls of toys and sweets. But though his father got angry, but his mother pacified him and diverted his attention towards other things, because she knows that however his child need each and everything that is in a stalls like toys and sweets, as he was really fond of these things. But the thing was very clear, because she knows that she just have to pacify him and has to diverted his attention towards other things. So the child moved forward, but once again lagged behind, because his eyes were caught by one thing or the other every now and then. However, boy was also trying कि वो different kinds के things जो हैं वो यहाँ वहाँ देख रहा है. He shouldn't do this, but what he can do, because at that moment he was trying कि मैं ये सब चीज़ें जो stalls पे लगी हैं, I just need it and I want this. मैं सारी चीज़ें ले लेना चाहता हूँ यहाँ से. So as they moved forward, और जैसे जैसे वो आगे बढ़ते हैं, the child wanted the various things on the stalls. His mouth watered seeing sweets decorated with gold and silver leaves. Actually, he was really fond of the sweets. So he wanted his favorite Burfi, but knowing that his parents would refuse on the ground that he was greedy, so he walked ahead. At that moment, he was just fond of Burfi also. So he want to demand for this, but he knows कि इस टाइम पे भी मुझे रिफ्यूज़ल मिल जाना है. My father will not accept this. Okay, so he will not let him to take this. So now he was very sad. Then he saw a beautiful garland of gulmohar but didn't ask for it. Then he saw balloons, but he knew very well that his parents would deny due to the fact that he was too old to play with balloons. So he walked away. means to say whatever he wants at that moment, but there was only one answer, that I would not give you this thing. So he was now very sad because whenever he was asking for anything, तो उसको हमेशा नो का ही आंसर आ रहा था. ठीक है, जब उसे नो का ही रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा था तो ही वॉज वेरी सैड दैट नाउ व्हाट आई कैन आस्क फॉर फ्रॉम माई पेरेंट्स. ओके, सो देन ही सॉ अ स्नेक चार्मर एंड अ राउंड अबाउट स्विंग. फिर वो स्विंग को देखता है. एज ही स्टॉप टू आस्क हिज पेरेंट्स फॉर परमिशन टू एंजॉय द स्विंग, टू हिज एस्टॉनिशमेंट देयर वॉज नो रिप्लाई. फिर भी उसके लिए कोई आंसर नहीं आता बिकॉज ही वॉन्ट टू टेक अ ride on a different kinds of swings. Neither his father nor his mother was there. पर वो देखते हैं ना तो मेरे father हैं यहाँ पे, ना ही mother. So now the child realized that he was lost. और इस टाइम पे उसे फील होता है yes, I'm lost here. So he ran here and there but couldn't find them. पर वो ट्राई करता है कि मैं इधर उधर जाऊँ और अपने पेरेंट्स को देखूँ, but couldn't find them. द प्लेस वॉज ओवर क्राउडेड. प्लेस बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर क्राउडेड था. एज़ यू नो, हम जब भी फेयर में जाते हैं सो मेनली वी फाइंड दैट जो भी प्लेस है वहाँ पे फेयर का, दैट वॉज टोटली ओवर क्राउडेड एट दैट मोमेंट. सो ही गॉट टेरिफाइड बट सडनली अ काइंड हार्टेड मैन टुक हिम अप इन हिज आर्म्स. तभी एक जो होता है सडनली एक काइंड हार्टेड पर्सन, वी कैन से स्ट्रेंजर पर्सन वहाँ पे आता है एंड he tries to console the bitterly weeping child. So he asked if he would like to have a joyride, but the child sobbed. He just started crying. वो और ज़्यादा रोना शुरू करता है. एंड जब सॉफ्ट मतलब जब हम किसी चीज़ को रोते हुए बोलते हैं, ट्राई टू स्पीक समथिंग whenever we are just weeping, so at that moment जो हमारी फीलिंग होती है, एक्सप्रेशंस होते हैं, that is called the sobbed. So the child sobbed, I want my father, I want my mother. So the man offered him sweets, balloons, garland, but the child kept sobbing. तभी भी वो ऐसे ही रोता रहा. ठीक है, I want my father, I want my mother, because there was only just one word that he wants, that I want my father, I want my mother. So students, hope so that you understand this story, because that is also demanding, or we can say that it just highlights a bond of love and affection that a child shares with his parents, because in the story we only learn this. Okay students, so that was a summary of your chapter The Lost Child by Mulk Raj Anand.